Hey guys, this video is all about the randomized stack. And if you're not familiar with what the randomized stack does, it essentially randomizes your content. So here, this list of numbers has been randomized on page load. This grid of numbers has been randomized. And you can also randomize by clicking a button. So when I click this button, you'll notice that both of these grids randomize all at the same time. So you can randomize a single thing or multiple things all with a button or on page load. So let's see how to get all this configured. So configure and randomize is super easy. When you add it onto the page, essentially you just have a drop zone. And if we look at the settings, the default setting allows you to simply randomize everything that you add into randomize, or we've added integrations with all kinds of different stacks, all the favorite columns and grid stacks out there, total CMS, all kinds of stuff. So there's a lot of integrations here for randomizing stacks that you already own. Next, you can define whether or not you want to randomize on page load, on click, or both. When you enable click, you'll notice that a click class is displayed. And essentially, this is the class that you're going to add to the button or link or element that will trigger the click event. So let's go ahead and look at the demos. In this first demo, we'll notice that I have the randomized stack, and here I just have some text stacks. Okay, they're just simple text stacks on top of each other. These settings are set to randomize the children on page load. And that's exactly what we saw in that demo. Simply, these are just going to get reordered and they're going to be randomized on page load. So let's have a look at this next demo. Essentially, inside the randomized stack, I have a traditional stacks grid that has a bunch of numbers. And inside the randomized stack, I set the elements to be stacks grid. And here I have the randomize event happening on page load and on button click. So when we go to this button down below, we'll notice that we have the randomize class added to this button. Hence, that will randomize this particular grid. And just to show you this last example, I don't have page load turned on. It's only on click. So on page load, this particular grid is actually in order, but when you click the button, it will randomize it.